How to switch WhatsApp account. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to switching between WhatsApp accounts. When you have multiple accounts, this is super useful for folks who want to keep their personal and professional lives separate. Or maybe you have a side hustle you need a dedicated number for. So, to switch between your WhatsApp accounts, first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and a menu will pop up. You will see option named Switch Accounts at the bottom. Tap on that, and it will switch you between your accounts. You have successfully switched between your accounts. If this feature does not appear for you, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Settings in the pop-up menu to access your profile and settings. Within your settings, tap on this icon next to your account. A section will pop up. It will show you all your WhatsApp accounts. Select the account you want to switch to, and it will switch you to this account. You've successfully switching between your WhatsApp accounts. And this is how to switch WhatsApp account. If you have any questions about switching between WhatsApp accounts, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.